Okay, this is a demonstration of a dual 1216 fully automatic turntable. It's got a United Audio plinth. I'm going to play 45s first. It's got 33, 45, 78 with pitch control, your start stop, and it's got 7, 10, and 12-inch records. It's got anti-skating for both elliptical and non-elliptical stylus, and it's got a removable head shell. So let's see here, let's hit start. I got on 7-inch 45. It's got the original dust cover with it, which is in really good shape, no cracks or anything. It's got a few scuffs and scratches on it, but other than that, go up on the cue here, and I'll get over here so you can see the auto stop. There goes the auto stop. And then switch over to 33s. 33. So I'm gonna switch it to 33. Go over here, switch it to 12-inch. Stop. Start again. Bring it over, show the automatic stop. It's in real nice shape. Got the original box, paperwork, and some spare parts for it. There it comes down to rest. You can see the dust cover is in really good shape. And that's it.